Screencastify is a free and easy-to-use Google extension that makes recording a snap. Duncanville ISD has purchased a subscription for the premium version, which allows for unlimited recording along with the use of features that are inaccessible with the free version. To install it, go to the Google Chrome Web Store and search for Screencastify. From here, type Screencastify. Click on the extension and click Add to Chrome. Once it's added, you can pin it to your toolbar so that it's easily accessible. To begin recording, simply click on the Screencastify icon. You have various options for recording. If you'd like to do a screencast or record your screen, click on the desktop option. You can choose whether you'd like to embed your webcam or not. Embedding your webcam allows you to be seen while you're screencasting. Choose the screen or window that you'd like to record and click Share. You can click on Hide to hide the notification that you're recording. Click on the Screencastify icon to either delete the recording, restart, pause, or stop the recording. After you're done recording, you have an option to open the recording in Editor to make edits before sharing. Or you can simply rename the recording and share by copying the link. Be sure to change the permissions if you choose to use this option. You can also share by publishing the video to your district YouTube account, sharing to your Google Classroom, or exporting the video as an MP4, among other options. Of course, if you need further assistance with using Screencastify to record, be sure to reach out to one of your friendly neighborhood instructional technology coordinators for support.